Today I'm just doing a quick little clean with me. Nothing complicated, just a simple way I like to clean my windows and make everything feel fresh again. And I left something for you in my bio. You can check it after this. I start by spraying a light layer on the glass, not too much, just enough to cover the surface. Then I take a paper towel and go in with soft, even movements. I don't rush, just steady wipes across the glass. I like to go in one direction first and then lightly go over again to make sure everything looks clean. If there are any spots, I just go over them again with a fresh towel, keeping it simple and not overdoing it. What really helps is using a clean, dry piece at the end just to give it that clear finish. And this is how it looks now. Clean, clear, and so much better. Little things like this just make the space feel nicer, and honestly, it only takes a few minutes. Take it slow and do what you can. Thank you and have a nice day.